This is a video of Mar Park showing the damage from last night's storm. Heading from the parking lot towards the bridge. Try to walk smoothly. You can see branches all over towards the houses. Big branches that broke up there by the river, Bell Creek. Coming across the bridge, you can see two great big trees that broke all the way down. Ooh. Yeah, I did. I looked at it already. I'm coming through here to make a video this time of a tour of Mar Park post-storm. July 7, 2016. More down that end. Not going to walk all the way down there. I'm going to take a short pause in the video while I walk up to that, into the trail right there that you can see, and up where I left off. With the upper part of the trail headed east. You can see branches, lots of branches covering the trail. This tree here lost at least 4 huge branches last night. And then there's ones all around also. Blocking the road, blocking the pathway. Step over.
Wait.
See, they're just piled. The branches are just piled on top of each other over here where they fell on top. This one fell across the fence.
California!
There's Isaac with his bouncing horse there.
It's a bouncing horse! After it dries up, it's gone.
Bunch of stuff over here. Looks like a big bush, but it's really didn't used to be there. Here's the path that it's covering. And then you can see this whole place here is usually grass. And there's just branches everywhere. They don't look very big from this perspective till you get up close. There's Aaron back where he just came from. Come on, Aaron. Walk up here. More big ones. Woo, it's exciting. There's one still hanging on. Makes a bunch more that have fallen. Woohoo. It's exciting. Ooh, seeing all this stuff. Okay. Amazing. Where'd Aaron and Grace Ann? I mean, Isaac and Grace Ann go? There's Aaron. Go stand by that so we could have a perspective. There we are. There we go. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! No entries allowed now.
I didn't injure myself.
That was warning. Okay. Now we're gonna head down across. You shake the whole tree.
Make this a video. It's so slippery.
Going across around this obstacle.
I probably should
Gonna-
carry my library.
You should probably close your library book, huh? There's Isaac over on the bridge. We're gonna head over there to the bridge.
Do you want to see something that
And there's more down there. One more panorama. Woo! These branches are everywhere.
not that the other bridge. If you said that bridge, it seems like a tree fell over. Some of the ground
Some vines. I think those are vines. I don't think those those have fallen. I think it's just vines covering the footbridge. We go over the water. Woohoo! Woohoo! Where's the parking lot where we started? Now headed the other direction. Check it out. Big bunch of stuff. Hey Isaac, Aaron, go stand by that one.
Oh, this one I can't stand on.
No, just stand in front of it. I just want to have perspective how tall it is. Woohoo! That's a big one. Yep, thank you, Aaron. There's more. Over to the... Woo!
Isn't there a basketball thing over here somewhere?
Oh my goodness. It's a big one. Wow.
It is a big one.
Yep.
And I can stand
Where in the world did it come from? I don't see the big roots. I guess it didn't have very big of roots. Huh. Hey Aaron, go by that one. Go stand right there.
What if there's snakes?
There's not. There's a vine that was holding on. Now it's going up to there. There's Aaron. I'm gonna pause my video. Wow, this is a big. There's a vine, another vine. Okay, now I'm gonna walk around it.
Maybe I can grab onto it.
Wow, big old black walnut tree. Whoosh. I should back up a little so you can see more at once. Wow. Here it is across the street from our house. There we go. There's our walnut tree, lots of big limb. Now we're gonna drive down the road, try to keep it steady. Show what we see. The exciting part.
Exciting.
So here's across, really across from Stacy's house. Get that right there. Nice and slowly. Keep it moving nice and slowly. Ooh, get that. There we go. Okay, now move over towards Stacy's house. Or Stacy's house, yeah. Stacy's house. There's some brush next to that. There's up in that tree. You can see a big section that fell out. Woo! And a big section on the ground, so you get a good shot of that. Make sure you're trying to hold the camera level. Oh, see there. I'm going to pause so somebody can pass me. See the trees up ahead, straight ahead, across the road, have already been cut back because they were across the road. One tree fell and hit the other tree and broke it.
Let's go down this street. It's very interesting.
We already went down this street, took some pictures, but we're going to go down again for our video. So make sure you go over this direction.
Very interesting.
See there, you can see that tree has got hit by the other tree that uprooted. Woohoo! Check it out. I'm going to pause again because there's somebody. This is the yard across Broad Street, the other part of Broad Street that has the two trees that fell down. And this is continuing on down the road from there. Various houses with trees. That one there has a huge tree on the back side of the house. I've got 3 shots of it. I had video, but it ran out of memory, so we didn't get the video. So we just got photos. And there's one where it hit the gutter in the car. That one there's back in the back. You can only see the trunk. The last one.